Hi, my name is Mark. I'd like to show you around our Iveco Daily 7-seater 45C15 Beavertail truck. This is a 2007 model, is a one owner from new and comes with service history. As you can see, you can purchase our Iveco Beavertail truck for as little as £77 per week. So this is the 45C15 version. Showing you into the front of the cab area, you can see it has been kept clean and tidy, and there's no signs of any rips or tears in the first three seats. Showing you into the rear crew area, you can see a further 4 seats, all with seat belts. Once again, all in good condition. Is all in good condition. Take a look underneath the bonnet of the Iveco Daily Beavertail truck. Let's take a good look down into the engine bay. You can see it's an extremely clean and tidy engine. We've got the level here is at the correct mark where it needs to be. As you can see, the 3 litre 16 valve Iveco Daily engine is in extremely good condition, and it does come with service history. Okay, so now I'm on to the final part of the video appraisal on the road test of our Iveco Daily 7-seater Beavertail truck, where I'm going to be demonstrating for you today the gears, the steering and the brakes. But firstly I need to be getting the engine started up. There we go, as you can see it started up straight away with no dashboard warning lights on, and there's no unusual noises coming from the engine. And these have got great quiet engines generally. So part of the road test today we're going to be getting up to 60 miles an hour